Okay, so we have completed chrysophyte. Now next is यूग्लिनॉइड्स. फोटोसिंथेटिक का हम लोग सेकेंड पार्ट है, फोटोसिंथेटिक प्रोटिस्टा यूग्लिनॉइड्स. Euglenoids, as the name suggests, it includes euglena. Okay. So first I would like to show the structure of euglena. Okay. The structure is somewhat like, okay, I will tell later. Okay. So euglenoids, they are known as connecting link between plants and animals. Very important point, they are connecting link between plants and animals. Why? An example? Yes, because few are plants likes and few are animals like. Few are plants like and few animals like. Now I have said plants like. When I have said plants, it means they have chloroplast. When I've said plants like, मतलब plants की कोई property होगी have chloroplast. And when I've said few are animals like, it means absence of cell wall. Absence of cell wall. Okay. So euglenoids, it's include euglena, and they are connected with plants and animals. Few plants like, they have chloroplast, this is the property, and few are animals like because of the absence of cell wall. And what are their habitat? They occur in fresh water. Okay. Habitat, fresh water, or you can also write damp soil. Okay, and they swim actively with the help of flagella. They have flagella. Okay. And they also perform creeping movement. मतलब वो एक्सपैंड होंगे, फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, एक्सपैंड होंगे, बॉडी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. मतलब बॉडी है वो एक्सपैंड होगी, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगी. तो इस फिनोमिना को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? यूग्लिनॉइड मूवमेंट और मेटाबोली. ठीक है. Nutrition. Now very important point, they show a mixotrophic. Okay, mode of nutrition is mixotrophic. I have word mixotrophic. Mixotrophic here means they show holophytic. Holophytic here means photoautotrophic. Okay, in bracket here, mixotrophic means holophytic. Okay, holophytic and plus sapropic और holozoic. ठीक है. सो क्लियर और ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. तो होलोफिटिक हमने बता दिया, इट मीन्स फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक. लेट मी राइट, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट फॉरगेट. Okay, and saprobic means It saprog means like feeding on organic remains. Feeding on organic remains. And what do you mean by the term Holozoic? Predating on smaller organism. A smaller organism. Okay, next is they are unicellular flagellate protista. With the help of flagella, they, and what else? They also show euglenoid movement. Or you can say metaboly. Body expand and contract. Now what about cell wall? What about cell wall? They are without cellulose cell wall. Till where we which points? Without. तो what else is found? तो फिर क्या पाया जाता है if cellulose is absent? There is word known as pellicle. Important. The body is covered by pellicle. What is pellicle and what is the function of pellicle? So pellicle is composed of elastic protein, okay, जो कि मेंटेन करता है डेफिनेट शेप को, and it is also a very flexible and permit the temporary changes in the body. Okay, so what is pellicle? Pellicle is composed of fibrous elastic protein. Okay, and what are their function? Maintain definite shape of body. Okay, and it is flexible. Write out this point also, otherwise you will get fault. Okay, now there are two flagella. One is long and one is short. One is short and one is long. What is the function of long one? तो कोई L है, long से locomotion. Okay, long is for locomotion. सो दे शो टू टाइप्स ऑफ लोकोमोशन, एक तो फ्लैजिला से लोकोमोशन हो रहा है और एक जो होता है बॉडी एक्सपैंड होती है और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है. और शॉर्ट वाले का क्या फंक्शन रहता है? फॉर कैप्चरिंग फूड. शॉर्ट का फंक्शन कैप्चरिंग फूड. ओके. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव आई स्पॉट्स, जिस पे जो कि रेड पिगमेंट होता है, एस्टाजेंथिन. आई स्पॉट जिसमें रेड पिगमेंट्स पाए जाते हैं, नोन एज astaxanthin. Okay, what is the function of eye spot? आई स्पॉट का फंक्शन क्या होता है? सो आई स्पॉट परसीव द स्टिमुलस ऑफ लाइट. परसीव eye spot perceives stimulus of light. It means help in directing the organism towards optimum light. Okay. photosynthetic pigments कौन से पाए जाते हैं? क्लोरोफिल ए, क्लोरोफिल बी. ओके. कम टू रिजर्व फूड. what are the reserve food? Paramelion. So their carbohydrates as paramylon. Okay, and paramylon is different from starch. Paramylon is different from starch and glycogen. Why? Because they do not stain with iodine. iodine के साथ ये stain नहीं होते हैं. Iodine test you have studied. Reproduction. Sexual reproduction has not yet been proved. Main is by longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. Okay, so this is all about the euglenoids. Okay, they are connecting link between plants and animals. Few plants likes they have chloroplasm, few animals like absence of cell wall, they have two flagella, they move with the help of flagella, and they also show a euglenoid movement. body expand होती है, contract होती है, pellicle पाए जाते हैं, it is flexible, and they are elastin protein. Okay, eye spot is found. eye spot इसका क्या function रहता है? they help in directing towards the light. Reserve food is paramylon, and reproduction is with the help of longitudinal binary fission. Okay.